How to fix iPhone apps not downloading. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Next thing you want to do is sign out and back into your app store. For that, click on your Apple ID given at the very top, scroll down, click on sign out, wait for a few minutes and then again sign in back. Next, update iOS. Hit back, click on General, then click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, reset network settings. Hit back, click on Transfer or Reset, click on Reset network settings and go through the process. Likewise, you can use another Apple ID. Sometimes your reason or ID glitches. If urgent, log in with a family member's Apple ID to grab the app. Then you can head back. Now navigate to the option Screen Time. Head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click on the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. For all these options given over here, installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases, set it to allow. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. Likewise, you can head back. Now navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find App Store, launch it. Enable for these options, app downloads, app updates, in-app content. Click on app downloads option, set it to always allow. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. You should be able to download any app from your app store. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.